In this video, I'll detail how to fix AirPods Pro 2 not connecting to iPhone. So if you have an AirPods Pro 2 second generation and you discover that the AirPods Pro 2 is not connecting to your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, literally, when your AirPods Pro 2 is not connecting to your iPhone, perhaps maybe you have connected to it before, then it could mean that your AirPods Pro 2 is connected to another device. So just drop your AirPods Pro 2, then go ahead, take the iPhone you want to connect the AirPods Pro 2 together to, like this. Then go to settings. On the settings page, locate Bluetooth. Then check whether the name of the AirPods Pro 2 is available here. If the name is available, click on the information icon, tap forget device, and then forget the device. Then once you forget the device, this is going to remove the AirPods Pro 2 from your iPhone Bluetooth. Then that is one. Then again, open the AirPods Pro 2 lid like this. Then turn to the back, press and hold the reset button. Hold it firmly for like a few seconds, and then there's going to be a transition of light from blue to cyan. So once you press it, you see here a beep, and then this is going to reset your AirPods Pro 2, and it's going to put the AirPods Pro in reset mode. Then you can just go ahead, close this. Then take your iPhone again. On the iPhone, just open the AirPods Pro 2 close to your iPhone. Then you see what that says, this is not your AirPods Pro. Then tap the connect button. Once you tap the connect button, you'll be prompted to turn on and press and hold the back button on your AirPods Pro 2. Then you're going to pair the AirPods Pro 2 with your iPhone newly. Then this is going to connect. I should see connecting. Just hang on while the AirPods Pro and your iPhone is connecting together. And once it's connected, then you should see the blue light comes up here. And then you should see connect. Then you'll be prompted to type the continue button on your iPhone, click on that. Then another pop-up indicating that your AirPods Pro 2 and your iPhone are now connected together. So if you go to your iPhone settings, select Bluetooth. Then on the Bluetooth page, you'll see your AirPods Pro 2 connected. And at the same time, you'll see the name of your AirPods Pro 2 on the iPhone settings page. So this is how you can easily fix AirPods Pro 2 not connecting to iPhone or any device. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.